Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at something that, well, I saw on the internet late at night and I was super curious about what it would look like. And in this case, it's the Pentel Hybrid Dual Metallic Liquid Gel Pens. And although the packaging from Amazon is not super hopeful, I kind of get the impression that these are sold singly, maybe in Japan, and somebody made a set out of them and they're selling them on Amazon. Either way, let's take a look and see. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. You can get like an 8-pack of these for like, I want to say $13 on Amazon. And if they're neat, it might be worth it. Alright. So let's look at these. It looks like they're individually barcoded, so you probably would buy these individually, like separate, but I do not know. Hybrid. Alright, try them out. So we got an assortment of colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, Roy GB, blue, indigo, and then, I don't know, silver and violet, silver and black. I guess it's black, or, yeah, okay. I could just look at the label where it says black. Alright. And this one's silver. Okay, let's check out the silver one first. And then we'll work on building our rainbow. We'll look at the silver and black, and then we'll go all rainbow on this. So this is the Pentel Hybrid. Okay. I don't know. Can y'all even see that on the camera? It doesn't look like it. Okay. I hope you can tell, but that looks super glittery. Like, I like that. That's, I mean, it's kind of, you wouldn't want to say take a test in school with one, as I have had students turn in tests with fabulous glittery pens before. But, can you see that alright? Is that, I mean, it looks pretty glittery. Let's go back out. That's kind of cool. These might be worth it. Alright, so let's try the black one. So this is the Pentel Hybrid. Alright. I'm not exactly seeing much glitter there. Let's try this the other way. I'll bring the paper to the camera this time. Alright. So you can see glitteriness in the silver. Actually, it's tough to get the right angle for the camera, but I can see a faint glitteriness. It's almost like a reddish glitter in the black one. Problem is, it's tough to get it to show up on camera. Maybe the other colors would be more glitter friendly. All right, so let's try. We'll go with the red one. Pentel Hybrid. Not really seeing any fabulous glitter there. I tell you what, let's get our Roy G and BI. I don't know if this one's going to count as the I or the V, but Pentel Hybrid. Alright, I'm seeing a little glitter in that one. Pentel Hybrid. And, I'm seeing some kind of nice glitter in the yellow one. Okay, the green one's, hopefully the green's going to be awesome. Pentel Hybrid. not really see it. Okay, maybe a little teeny bit. Blue. And I'm going to call this one purple. Pentel hybrid. Alright. So, I'm going to bring this closer to the camera so y'all can see him better. See if I can do this where I can light as well. So it's like well lit. Alright. So, silver is by far the glitteriest one. And it's kind of, you can sort of see it there. The black almost has like almost looks red. And again, it's tough to see. You can't really catch the glitter under the camera, under the lights. The red actually is looking pink and glittery now. Huh. Okay. I have sort of a weird comment about these. It's like when I first wrote with them, they did not look super glittery, right? And they don't look amazingly glittery on camera unless I can get the light to catch it just right. But it's like after they dry, they like get crazy glittery. And I mean, like the green, like you might have been able to tell. Well, let me see if I can show you. Okay, this is the red, right? So when you write with the red, I don't know if you can tell, but like the red has a bit of a different color when it first comes out and is wet, and as it dries it gets much more glittery. I kind of thought these pens were going to be a waste, but they're sort of cool. I like these. These are neat. I may have to get an extra set of these and give them to my girlfriend. She might really get a kick out of this. I like the glitter though. And I'm sorry if you can't, like, it's unfortunate, but I can't quite. I'm trying to get it where it like the light reflects. You can kind of see it there on like the gold and the yellow. And are you seeing like, hopefully you're seeing the kind of reflectiveness there. Yeah, that's kind of showing up on camera now. But yeah, these are pretty neat. All right. Of the many things that late at night I've gotten curious and wasted like 10, 15, 20 bucks on, these are neat. I like these. I think I'm going to have to play with these. If any of you do like the, what's that called? It's like the constructive doodling stuff. What is it called? I want to say it's like Zentangle or something, but that is not right. Anyway, I bet these would make some awesome of those creative doodles. You know what I'm talking about? Where like you draw a square, you like draw a square, and then you have like, you know, shapes you make in the areas, and then you do like weird, I don't know. Anyway, but these are cool pens. Anyway, I'll include the link in the description if you want to check them out. And if you have any suggestions for any other neat pens, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And hope y'all have an excellent day.